All right, so this next story, it's for anyone who wants to cuddle some calves, hug a heifer, or even bond with a bovine. Dairy farms, they're now offering cow cuddling. Take a look at this right here. This is where you lie on the ground with a cow, maybe even two, and you share a sweet moment, or maybe a movement, some would call it. Dairy farms, they're doing this to offset lost revenue from a decrease in dairy demand. Many places, they use cows between 3 to 6 months old, and that's when they're less than 100 pounds, and they're also learning how to trust people. So you got to be a test run for some of these cows. Now, the modern practice, it seems to have started back in England. It got more popular during COVID, with one farm in Minnesota charging a few bucks for just 30 minutes of cow cuddling. I mean, when's the last time you've gotten that up close and personal to a cow, right? Kind of cool. Well, a pair of